If you ever want to learn how to import any CAD drawings into SketchUp, well, this is the right video for you. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel to keep you updated to our new video tutorials. In the previous episode, we learned how to prepare your CAD drawing before importing into SketchUp, such as deleting unsupported CAD entities, reducing file size, deleting unnecessary layers, and etc. If you don't know about all of these, then please watch it first before you watch this full video. Now, how to import a CAD file into SketchUp. Here is how you do it. In SketchUp, open the SketchUp model template into which you want to import your CAD file. You can select in meters, millimeters, or inches, but in this sample, let us choose the simple in meters because I'm used to it even though our CAD file to import the units is millimeters. Select File on your left, then Import. An Import dialog box appears. Then go to the place where your prepared CAD file is saved. From the Files of Type drop-down list, just click and select AutoCAD Files, .dwg, .dxf. This is to view files in CAD drawing format only. Select the file you want to import. Click the Options button. The Import AutoCAD DWG, DXF Options dialog box appears. You can check the 3 checkboxes in the geometry area choices. But this time let us uncheck them. Select the checkbox of Preserve Drawing Origin, if you want to place the imported geometry at the origin defined in your CAD file. But for me, I will not select the checkbox, since I want to place the imported geometry near the SketchUp origin. In SketchUp 2018 and later version, SketchUp automatically determines the units of the CAD. And it says here millimeters, which is the correct units in the CAD file of our drawing. Click OK in the Import AutoCAD DWG DXF Options dialog box. Back in the Import dialog box, click the Import button and SketchUp Pro begins importing your CAD file. And we are done. As you can see in the imported file, it is exactly the same as what we prepared in the previous tutorial. As long as you understand how to prepare the CAD file before import, then you are properly doing the right way of importing. And this is the end of this tutorial. In the next video, I'll show you how to quickly create a 3D model in simple way. Thanks for watching.